I'm back. I don't know, my energy doesn't seem to match like the songs that I want to put. Like sometimes I want to put some songs that are like more mellow, like get ready with me kind of thing, and then I'm just like, hi everybody. But I mean, hey, I can't change. Here you go. This is the look that I've been trying to do for like ever and ever and ever, and I did it. This is cute. All right, so you guys, I did this flat twist zigzag type of look today. Maybe next time I will put a number 2, because number 2 or 1B. If you want to see how I did all of this, keep on watching. I just washed my hair, t-shirt drying it. I'm going to use the revair blow dryer. This is my second time using it. The first time I used it, it was actually for my braids. After I dipped them in hot water, I used it and it seemed to work. So now I'm going to try with my own hair. You're not supposed to apparently have super damp hair when you're going to use it, so that's why I've been with this for about maybe 10 minutes. I just washed my hair, shampoo and conditioner with Aussie Moist. I really like the shampoo because it doesn't feel stripping when I put it, whereas some other shampoos, it feels like, oh my god, I need to put something in there. I love using Aussie in general, but I love to use the Aussie Moist because I feel like it adds moisture to my hair. I've been washing my hair. This fridge makes so much noise. I've been washing my hair at the sink lately. I feel like I have more control over what I'm washing. You know what? I waste less water, so that's a good thing, right? I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. You know what my favorite one is from As I Am is the detangling conditioner. It's also a leave-in. And then I'll use the heat protectant from Tresemme. I feel like this style is gonna be a bit counterproductive. I'm gonna dry and then put a little bit of gel, so it's like wetting it again, but we'll see. Done. So these are my blow dry results with the revair. Now we're gonna move forward and style this hair. I'm going to flat twist like up to probably like here, just because I don't want the bun to be so low. Right now I don't know, and I don't think that it's straight, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do is put this as a pony and twist it up. Putting that moisture back, girl. I don't want to put any gel in the back, so I won't. I'm gonna take a rubber band. Wait, this is not tight enough. I'm gonna take this instead. There you go. I might put some edge control, but I don't really want to. But yeah. I do want to add like subtle highlights. So what I'm gonna do is take some spring twists that I got from Amazon like a long time ago. This is the color 1B30. I don't know if you can see this. It's too bright. This one B30. And then I'm also gonna do the bun with other extensions. My famous extensions that, you know, have this at the beginning. Like the color, I don't even know what color this is. Probably number 4. I'm mostly like nervous about the parting because I'm not that great. I'll add the cream as I'm gonna do the twist. I don't wanna add it too early on. I'm gonna try a different gel today. I'm gonna use the Extreme Pro Expert gel. It's so quiet, man. I usually do things like with music on. The sacrifices I make. All right. So we're gonna take some of the extreme gel. I don't know how good I'm gonna be with this because of my long nails. I'm gonna take some edge booster as well. It's the peach scent, sweet peach scent. I like it. It just doesn't last very long. I mean, like, it lasts very long. Like, it lasts for the day. I should be better at explaining things by now. I forgot to put the twisting cream. I find that the twisting cream, oh, and the products go well together. I did the test, but I find that the twisting cream also adds some shine. Next twist, I'll put the twist defining cream before, if I remember. Okay, so apparently the best way to do this is to do the flat twist, to take hair like little piece by piece, like really piece by piece. So I've seen people do this. And then this. Let's see how I like it. wind blows, it's gonna like, woo! So I have to figure out a way, or I'll just like, oh, I'll take some bobby pins and just pin it down like here. This is with the booster gel. I really like the booster edge control. Like, I really do. I might add a bit more hair in the back. I might. All right. All right, I am back. It is the next day. I consulted the professional, aka mi madre, and she said that the bun was a bit too low. I agree, and I think it needs to be bigger. So I'm gonna fix that. Ooh. All right, fun fact, this t-shirt, made in Haiti. You guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you have any tips for me, if I probably did something wrong, let me know. So all right, the revair, it took me about 45 minutes to blow dry my hair, and I think that I could be a bit faster because I kind of got the hang of it. So less heat in the front, more heat in the back. Oh, my lashes. So the hair, I actually see the highlights. I probably don't see them on the camera, but like no lights and stuff, I see the highlights. So I'm glad that I decided to keep doing with the highlights. I tried to do a different way to put the extensions in while I'm twisting, but I prefer my method. So if you see other videos that I've done, putting in the extensions is way better in flat twist in other videos than this one. I did it towards the back, but I don't remember what I showed, but yeah. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.